Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I have this Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. So this is the most expensive toothbrush, wireless toothbrush in the market currently. So this one has a lot going for it. Not only you can recharge it, it has an app that go along with it. Also, from what I gather, it also teaches you how to brush your teeth correctly. Like when you are pushing down the brush head toward your teeth, it will actually tell you whether or not you put too much pressure or not enough pressure. So we're gonna unbox today, and this one is for my wife, hence the pink color. It looks like you have to unbox from the bottom. Cut through the part right here. And now it should, oh, there we go, it comes right out. Pretty neat. Okay, so inside here it tells you to get the app as well. Alright, so it comes with one toothbrush head, and this is the body itself. Oh, look, it's like it has battery in there already. But yeah, so my wife had previous version, not the Prestige, but a much older model, and hers, yeah, this is look very much like the older model as well. And here's a traveling case. This is much nicer than what my wife used to have. Okay, continue down. Let's see, what else they have here? They have a charger. Oh, it looks like just a holder. And they have a little tab to teach you how to place this holder. And then you have the charging base. Right, so the holder goes on top, like so. It looks very nice. So it will be staying up like this. Okay, and here's the charging cable. Okay, so that's all the stuff that comes in the box. Let me go recharge this up and then see how we use this. Alright, so let's talk about the brush. I've been using it for over a week. Now, even though this toothbrush is supposed to be for my wife, but since she didn't want to appear on the video, so therefore I've been using it to test it out to see how well it does in terms of brushing teeth. Once I am done, and then once I change the brush head, then I'll give it to her and she can start using it. Now, I am happy to report this toothbrush is something else. It's something that I haven't tried before. Now, granted, I thought I know what to do in terms of brushing my teeth using a electric toothbrush, but I was completely wrong in terms of how to use it. Now, once I start using this toothbrush, I download the app. The app will actually teach me how to actually properly use this Sonicare. It was an interesting experience, to say the least. Now, for one thing, not only I am more comfortable of brushing my teeth using electrical toothbrush, but I know exactly what I need to do in order to get it done correctly. Not only that, after I'm done brushing my teeth, my mouth actually feels really refreshed. That's a change. Because before, if I'm in a rush, I'll just brush my teeth like I used to with the manual toothbrush, but that's not how you're supposed to do with the electrical one. On the app, once you have download the app and then you connect to your toothbrush, you can start learning how to, and they even teach you the tips and tricks. Brush twice a day, obviously, and then 2 minutes and coverage. They teach you how to grab the toothbrush. So essentially what you need to do is you just hold the toothbrush and let it guide through your teeth. So the way now I brush my teeth is to set my phone right in front of me, and then as I brush my teeth, the app will tell me when and where to brush. So there are 6 quadrants of places where I need to brush. Now 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and each quadrant has a front and a back. The app will tell you exactly when you need to brush and where you need to brush. The app will go through the entire mouth before it ends. Now, one of the interesting things is that if you put too much pressure on your teeth, the light on the bottom of the toothbrush will lit up, and also on the app will notify you that you are putting too much pressure. And another feature that it has is if you start scrubbing like what you would do with a manual toothbrush, the app will tell you that as well, to tell you to stop scrubbing. So essentially you just guide the toothbrush through your mouth instead of doing too much to do the up and down or side to side motion, as if you were using it as a manual toothbrush. Alright, so my final thought about this toothbrush, The pro is that it is really good in terms of getting the teeth done. I feel really refreshed after I have done brushing it, and not only that, the app works really well with the toothbrush. And on the plus side is that if you for some reason forgot to turn on the app while you are brushing your teeth, which is fine, the next time the brush and the app sync up, then all the data will transfer onto your app. So you will continue to see the data throughout the day, the week, and the month. Now, the downside is this toothbrush is really expensive. At the time of filming, this toothbrush is north of $350. So it is a really expensive toothbrush. And also, don't forget, now you are not only paying once. Eventually, every 3 months, there is a countdown on the app as well to tell you when your toothbrush head needs to be changed. That means every year you have to buy the head at least 4 times. So that's a lot of money going out the door for just one electrical toothbrush. So anyway, this is my review of the Philips Sonicare Prestige. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.